Safariland DCU M4 ammo pouch, 1 mag 30 round, Molly 2 straps for easy attachment and customization, single 30 round magazine pouch, holds 1 M4 magazine, can be used for its intended purpose or as general purpose pouch to store items such as folded knives, flashlights, etc. Button and hook and pile closure, made in the USA, used.
Government Liquidation, the world's online marketplace for U.S. government surplus and scrap property. With thousands of military surplus items added weekly to our inventory, GL offers surplus buyers a unique and dynamic pool of property for purchase and resale.